In the name of Allah, the Compassionate and the Merciful. Hello guys. In this video, we're going to talk about the project risk analysis. Suppose that you want to start a project and you want to estimate the cost and time of project with different activities. So in this example, we're gonna use time and cost management based on uncertainty conditions using Monte-Carlo method with beta probability distribution function. You see, we have different activities from A to J with different cost to pessimistic and optimistic for cost and time also, with different predecessors. And we wanna simulate this project ultimate cost and time activities with many scenarios between pessimistic and optimistic. So in this analysis we use beta distribution function as alpha equals to 2 and beta equals to 1 or 1 to calculate the critical conditions for this analysis based on uncertainty of situations which is going to be happen in the future with using beta PDF. So I use Gantt chart with this formula and with definition of different predecessors and calculating the start time of each activity and finish of each activity, and also the complicated summation of these activities, and also finding the different quantile of these values. For example, for pessimistic these values, for optimistic these values, and for likelihood this value. So you have we use 100,000 simulation and finding these 5 critical values for time. And in here we're trying to plot it and finding the project total time for different quantiles. So if you run this code and see the result, you will see that in different activities, start, finish, and time for this activity is shown in here. And also for example, for activity F, start from this value, finish from this value, and time duration for this activity is going to be calculated and shown in here. For quantile of 10th, you see in here. And also for different quantiles, you will see that with different scenarios you can calculate different time and total time project. And also you will see that at the end you will see that the total time duration from different quantiles of this project time. So at the end we want to calculate the total time of the project with different quantiles. So I use different method for calculating the total time of project and finding the different quantiles of this simulation with 100,000 simulation. You will see that if we run this code, we will find that the project total cost of different quantiles is shown in here with different values. You will see that, and also the cumulative cost of each activity is shown in here with different scenarios. So if you wanna define any scenarios with uncertainty conditions, you can use this method. So thanks guys. I'd be glad to know about my modeling. Please have a comment and tell me now. Bye.